Hello. Today what I want to do is show you what this sounds like out here in this windy, crazy day. It's going to turn to torrential downpours later. Already got a lot of rain last night and the wind's been crazy. So this here has this little, it's not a leather case, it's a synthetic leather, I would say, what they use. And here's your mic right here. This is your lav mic that's got a small windscreen on it, a clip, and I've got this wound up, but this is your jack here, 1/8" jack. And what makes this a very good mic is right here you have a switch. You can switch it to off, and then you can use this on smartphones and such. I turn it on, and then I can use it for my camcorder and desktops, and it's an all-around mic. That's what makes this a very good option. It's very budget friendly. It also, I've done a lot of research, and for the price, it's one of the best on the market, a lot of people say in their opinion. They've tested it with other more expensive mics, and this here is done as well, if not better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook this up, because I got to speak really loud right now because I want to get over top of this wind, if you're hearing any. But I'm going to hook this up and show you what it sounds like. Also, I'm going to be out moving around and such because this is a corded microphone. That means I'm going to be tethered basically to the camera because I plug it right into the camera. So that may be a little bit difficult with a lot of the videos I make. I may not be able to use this in certain videos, but it's something that I'll work on. Okay, now I'm just talking a normal voice now, and I am probably 10 feet from the camera. Now, this is going to allow me to be able to stand back further and talk in a normal voice instead of have to shout at the camera so you can hear. Now I've got the mic right here, and I've got it flapped over, and it's very, very windy out here. So I'm not sure if you're picking up any wind right now, but I don't think you are, because this is flapped over and the wind's coming from that direction. So many different types of setups that you can do to improve your sound and how it's working. But now I'm going to move around like I normally would. I always got to be mindful of this cord. What's good about this though is 6 meters of cord on this, so I can move back pretty darn far and you still hear me the same way. So that's a really cool feature. But I'm also out here in the forest. There's stumps, there's everything on the ground. Got to be very careful that I'm not catching a stump and trying to walk and pulling the camera off the tripod or pulling the mic and so on. So it's going to be a little trickier. I would like a wired, but I don't have a wired. Anyhow, I'm going to unplug this and show you the difference in what this sounds like, me at this distance with this mic and without this plugged in. Now this is the same spot, and I'm talking exactly the same way as I was just a moment ago. So I plugged the mic back in, and it's starting to spit rain, so I've got to get out of here. My camera is not waterproof, but I just wanted to show you the difference with the lav mic, the Boya BY-M1, and let's just see a little bit of what I will be using out here, or trying at least. This is just a test. I may get a shotgun, mic as well and try that, see if that works better for me out here, or I may be using a combo. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching and take care.